Welcome to this 4-bedroom townhouse for rent in Bryanston, Sandton, South Africa for R48,000 per month. Rental includes garden service, pool service and window cleaning. 4 sunny north-facing bedrooms. 4th bedroom is ideal guest suite teenage pad with separate entrance and kitchenette. 4.5 modern bathrooms. 3 open-plan reception areas. Separate study downstairs. Modern open-plan eat-in kitchen with scullery. Staff accommodation. Double garage. Covered patio. Pool. Private garden. Secure estate. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.